Greetings and salutations, Juancia. In this video, I am going to show you how I basically made the mask, the shoes, and the utility belt for my Wama cosplay. Without further ado, keep on watching. Now, the mask I got from Micheals in the kid craft section. Mask is like a cardboardy, paper mache-esque feel to it. So it'll be easier to cut with a X-Acto knife or scissors or whatever knife or anything you have available. First I sketched out the part I want the nose cut out like a piece of the nose area because the mask comes down on the nose pretty far. I wanted my nose to be more so exposed. And I sketched out the size of the mask because I wanted it to be more round. And I wanted it to look more like how Womans looks like. So, so you guys see me do sketch out the sides and the nose area. I let the eyes be to give it more like a different feel and not have like the eyes really big and everything. But they give it. Oh, it's basically less. I just left it alone though. But if you do use this type of mask and you use an X-Acto knife, though, or a utility knife, whatever you have available, please be careful. I don't want you guys to cut yourselves or anything, or have any slip ups. Just be really careful, and I'm sorry if you did get an accident. I'd like you to have the best of us, but I am just warning you now. Just be careful with an X-Acto knife, utility knife. You probably can't get away with really sharp scissors, but yeah, to me it was more easier to cut with the X-Acto knife than like scissors. Um, but other than that, if you have like a normal, that might work as well. Or if you get a different mask, that might work as well. I am not completely sure. So this is like but the third or fourth mask that I have made, and this is what stuck. And I also like paper mache it in a way. I used a mixture of like white glue. You could probably use like wood glue, but like white glue and a little bit of water to get like a moss pod type feel. Um, you I can get away with mouse paws, but I just get the kind of a cheaper option. So, yeah, but I layered the glue down. Uh, then I glued down then I put down the paper that I used, which is like newspaper as paper, and then I put the glue on top, and did that for the first layer, and I wrapped the newspaper or the paper that I used around like to the back of the mask so you will see it and we don't have any rough edges around the mask or in the eye area. I did 2 layers of paper mache and it kind of gave this like literally then I just like sealed the paper mache with glue just to get a more bond, like a bond hold, like a nice hold. The paper mache, and before I painted it black, I ended up painting my mask black. Oh, by the way, if I forgot, I did 2 layers of the paper mache. So if I didn't say that already, but I did paint my mask black, and I coated it with moss. It looks like it's moss paws. I coated it with, and I they had to switch the way I tie it behind my back because what I use now it keeps like coming undone, so I have to get a new string to tie it back over. Other than that, the mask turned out beautifully. I love how it has like a shiny, leathery look to it. The shoes I found at a local store for $5, and I replaced the insoles I found at Dollar Tree, and they are really comfortable to wear. The shoes are black, but it gives nice undertones to the fabric pink. I don't have to be like, I had to like keep painting in these shoes to make it more of a solid color, even though you do see more so of a solid color with the shoes. Them and I followed a few painted tutorial of a cosplayer that I follow, and I will link her video down below. And it took about 2 to 3 layers to get the color on the shoes because the shoes are black. There's we more layers though to show up on the shoe. But I liked how the shoes look like a leather feel was what I was going for my cosplay. The belt I painted a similar model to the shoes, just in a yellow color, and I found the belt off of Amazon. For I forget how much it cost there, but I just hung it on the lamp and just painted it. It did get all over the place.